Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new episode from Salvage Nation. In today's episode, I found something seriously wrong with my 2012 BMW E88. I was driving the car, and as you know, I've been driving the car for the past about a week or so, and I kept feeling this vibration underneath the car, and I jacked it up and I found a major issue, and I believe that Copart caused it. So I'm gonna head down to Multi-Car Repairs. They've booked it in for today, and we're gonna check out the damage. And I wanna show you this because Copart are very, very infamous for causing this type of damage to cars. And this is quite a serious one. If I didn't realize this in time, I could have potentially blown my engine. It's something on the exhaust, it's severe damage underneath the car, and I believe that Copart has caused this with their forklifts. But I want to show it to you guys so that you guys are aware. If you shop at Copart, always check for this. Jack the car up and check under the car for any damage, either from the accident or from Copart themselves. Because when the cars are at Copart, they're lifted constantly, they're moved around the shop with the forklifts, and they don't give a shit. They literally just treat the cars like stock. And that's exactly what the cars are to them. If you imagine eating food and you're not able to pass wind. If you can't pass wind, you end up dying. You will end up, blowing something in your stomach. It's the same thing with the exhaust on the car. The exhaust is severely damaged. That means that the car is not clearing the exhaust gases and passing wind, so to speak, as it should, which builds up pressure in the engine, and I could potentially blow my engine. So I want to get this sorted as soon as possible. So let's get down to Multi-Car Autos and see what we can come up with. Let's get it. Right guys, I've come down to Multi-Car Repairs to get my exhaust completely switched out. I'm going to show you what I found under the car. Let's go. Take a look at this, guys. So they're halfway through the job, but have a look at that. That is meant to be my exhaust, guys. It's completely closed off, the exhaust. So when I first started the car, I've been driving it for about a week and a half, and I can hear this rattling. Every time I start it, it's something's hitting the bottom. So I came down, I stuck it on the ramp. I know some people were saying in the comments below that I should upgrade it to an aftermarket exhaust, but on a diesel car, I'm not really too keen. But on a diesel car, I'm not too keen to upgrade it, so I've just gone for bog standard, and I'll get it sorted there. So whilst I leave them to take off the old one, I've managed to source a new one at a breaker's yard down in Slough. So I'm gonna jump in my other car, head down to Slough, pick up the other one, and bring it back. Hopefully by the time I get back, they've got this one off and we can assemble the new one. So let's crack on. Right guys, so at the moment I'm on my way to Slough to collect a used exhaust system for my BMW 118 diesel. I've decided I'm going to sell this car, guys. I'm going to flip it, and I want to get a car that's petrol that I can really do some proper mods from. So I'm going to flip this one. So I'm not going to be upgrading it to any sort of aftermarket exhaust. So I'm going to be doing the regular exhaust, just a like for like. But right, let's get this exhaust and then we can continue with the build. We're going to take off this screw, let this screw. So we're going to take off this screw. Once we take off this screw, then that should release from the cat. So that's the catalytic converter. That's connected to the engine. Catalytic converter comes down, come down to the exhaust. We're going to get rid of all of this damaged section. All of this is going to be off. All of this complete. So once all of that is complete, then we can replace it with a like-for-like part. And after that, I need to take the car for MOT because the MOT ran out yesterday, the 16th. So we're going to take the car for MOT. Carry on. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. I've changed my exhaust on this car. This car is slowly creeping to the finish line. And if this is the kind of content you like to see, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the content today, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because it helps YouTube know that you like my content, and it pushes my content, and it helps me in my quest to grow my channel. And don't forget, guys, head on over to shopsalvagenation.com if you want to support the channel. All the proceeds from shopsalvagenation.com go straight back into this channel, and it helps me to produce better content for you guys. Don't forget, we've got the Salvage Nation caps, we've got the Salvage Nation hoodies, we've got t-shirts, we've got beanies, we've got all sorts. And I've got something coming soon. Check out the website and you'll see. I've got some really nice jet tags. They're available for pre-order right now. So head on over to shopsalvagenation.com and support the channel. So guys, as I always say, keep it moving, and I'll catch you in the next one.